confirmed you had babies. You had little babies. Oh. Oh, hi. It's okay. I'm just gonna set this back down. Okay? Oh. Little garter snakies. Alright. Get this pit started. We have got some egg eaters here, unfortunately. They were caught red-handed, and they also failed a egg test, where you just put a fake egg on the ground, or a real one if you want to risk it. And they run over to it, start pecking at it. You've found your egg eaters. Now, you're going to take one of these hens. 2 of them are older and aren't laying eggs anymore anyway. And have ourselves a winner chicken dinner tonight. Well, thank you, chicken. We have used the shovel method of breaking the neck here, shown on Edible Acres. I'm not very good at it yet. Those are just after movements. She's already gone. But it did take longer than I was hoping. Gonna have to work on that. But a lot less messy than the butcher cone, killing cone method. Got our chicken rubbed in some bacon fat with some adobo seasoning, salt and pepper, some garlic granules, all the good stuff. The rest of the chicken legs and whatnot are in the fridge. And, of course, the dogs got some. Saved the heart and some other nice choice bits for the cats. And, got the chicken breast here cooking up. A little bit of lemon juice and some bacon fat and spices rubbed in. And some egg noodles for a side dish. That is fresh chicken.